Hello guys, welcome to Statistics Bio 7. I am Dr. Mohan Ratnari. Now we are the discussion topic interpretation of factor analysis. How to perform factor analysis in RStudio. That video already published in our channel. That video link mentioned to this video description box. So that video continue part for the interpretation of factor analysis in R. So general the small introduction for the factor analysis in R. So the factor analysis is a statistical method used to uncover the underlying structure in a set of observed variables by identifying latent factors. In R, the technique is implemented using the psych package, particularly the functions. Factor analysis is valuable in field like ecology, where multiple interrelated variables can be simplified into key components. By applying rotation like Varimax or Varimax, the method engages interpretability and help to reveal the patterns in complex dataset, adding the data reduction and analysis. So the what is Varimax and Varimax and how to choose Varimax Varimax rotation in our data set, that related Blacker post published in our Blacker page. The post link mentioned to this video description box. If you doubt for the what is the Varimax or Varimax, how to choose our data set for Varimax and Varimax rotation method in factor analysis for RStudio, please visit the Blacker post and read the post. It is very useful for your studies. So continue. The factor analysis was conducted using minimum residual minus method with Varimax rotations. The two factor MR1 and MR2 were extracted, which together explain a substantial portions of the variation in the data set. So the next one for the loading data set, the table, and this is explanation for this table. The variable for the site and soil pH, soil moisture, nitrogen content, phosphorus contents, light intensity, and the plant biomass, species richness. So this is for the value in the loading factor in factor analysis, MR1, MR2 and H2 communalities and U2 uniqueness. So this is for the value. The factor loading represent the relationship between each variables and extracted factor. The factor MR1 show the high loadings for the most of the environmental variables. For soil pH 0.98 and soil moisture minus 0.99 and nitrogen content 0.89 and phosphorus content 0.99 and plant biomass 0.79 and species richness 0.95. This suggests that the factor MR1 largely captures the variability related to the soil composition and nutrient availability. Factor MR2, the mainly loaded on site, the site 0.85 value and has a smaller loadings on the light intensity 0.29. This indicates that factor MR2 reflect variability in the spatial characteristics of the site. So the communality H2 and uniqueness U2. The communality represent the proportion of each variable's variation that is explained by the extracted factors. Higher communalities value closer to 1 suggest that the factor account for most of the variability in the variables. Uniqueness 2 U2 represent the variation in each variable that is not explained by the factors. Example, the variations that is unique to the variable and does not share communality other variables. Variables with low uniqueness value closer to 0 are well explained by the factors, while those with the high uniqueness value retain a lot of unexplained the variations. So the next table for the variations explained, the factor MR1 and MR2. So the factor MR1 explain 79% of variation in the data set, indicating that they capture most of the important variability. And MR2, they explain additional for the 11% of the variations, bringing the variations explained by the two factors 90%. Factor MR1 explain the bulk of variations 87% of the explained variations, while MR2 contribute a smaller portions 13%. So the next one for the interpretation of the factor plot analysis plot in RStudio. So MR1 appears to represent a soil nutrient and plant growth factors. Then plant growth factors for the biomass and species richness. So as it is associated with the multiple variable directly linked to the soil chemistry. Example for pH and nutrient content. And biological response, plant biomass and species richness. The high loadings indicate that this factor capture a major part of ecological variability in the dataset. MR2 represent a more geographics or spatial factors, primarily capturing site-based different and to a lesser extent light intensity variability. This suggests that MR2 may account for variations due to location specific factor, not directly related to the soil nutrient compositions. So the last one section for the conclusion in the interpretation of factor analysis in R. The factor analysis extracted two meaningful factors. MR1 capture most of the variations and is strongly associated with the soil composition and nutrient related variables such as pH, nitrogen, phosphorus, etc. While the MR2 reflect location based variability mainly captured by the site variable. High communality values across the most variables indicate that the factor explain the majority of variations in those ecological variables, which little left unexplained. The model exhibits excellent fit and reliability, making it a robust representation of the relationship within the dataset. If we any doubt on this interpretation of factor analysis in R, post on comments on this video. I will help you. If you like this channel video, click to the subscription button and support to me, join to our channel membership. Thank you for watching this video.